Hello and welcome to Best Twitch Streamers, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can download Overwatch 2 on your computer. So first and foremost, what you want to do is head over to Google and type in Blizzard. Now as soon as you type in Blizzard, you're going to be welcomed to this page exactly over here, and then you just want to click on Blizzard Entertainment, the first link. And then once you click on the first link over here, you're going to have downloadbattle.net. What you want to do is you want to download battle.net. And once you're done downloading this, make sure you have an account as well, because you will need an account. So after you're done with all of that, now I already have battle.net downloaded as well as installed. And from here, Overwatch 2 is completely free to play. So you just want to go to all games, and from all games you just gonna search for Overwatch 2. Right now Overwatch 2 is on the top, but still, if you wanna search it by, you can head over to Blizzard, and then you can just look at which games are there, and Overwatch 2 is by Blizzard, so it's gonna be right over here. So after that, just click on it, and then over here I've got the play option, but normally you have an option like this, install. So what you want to do is just press on install and let the game download, and then you can just play it. Now obviously I am having an update download right now, and that speed is horrible, but yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, hit that subscribe, as well as hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.